Let me now take you through the election season. The focus will also be Jammu and Kashmir because is the Naya Kashmir ready with the election fervour? Amid all of this, one of the key highlight constituencies, Anantnag Rajouri, from where Mehbooba Mufti is contesting from, has had its date shifted by the Election Commission. They were slated to go to polls on 7th May. Now the elections have been deferred to 25th May, which now becomes the 6th phase. Now, there's a reason for it. We are told that several leaders, including, for example, JNK BJP Chief Ravinder Raina, Apni Party Chief Altaf Bukhari, PC's Imran Ansari, and other leaders also, including independent candidates, had approached the Election Commission requesting to reschedule because there are adverse weather conditions and it is a large constituencies with distant and difficult terrain. Parties cited logistic and connectivity issues. But PDP President Mehbooba Mufti has made an allegation that this is basically to help the BJP and specifically for the Pahadis in the Rajouri-Poonch belt. In the video, the Neta can be heard warning people of consequences that Mehbooba has shared. If Pahadis vote for NC-PDP, there could be trouble. Meanwhile, she's also campaigning in her constituency, which was set to go to polls for 7th. PDP has filed a written complaint with the returning officer of the Anantnag regarding this issue.
ये 1987 की तरह फिर से जो कांग्रेस ने उस वक्त 87 में करके लोगों के मैंडेट को तार-तार किया था, आज इलेक्शन से पहले ही भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने रिगिंग करके अपने जो उनके बैग्ड कैंडिडेट हैं उनको फेवर करने के लिए अनंतनाग राजौरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के जो इलेक्शंस हैं उनको डेफर करके 7 मई से 27 मई ले गए हैं ताकि उनके कैंडिडेट, उनके बैग्ड कैंडिडेट को ज्यादा मौका मिले। वो उस इलाके में जो उनके हरबे हैं, जो रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री में वो कर रहे हैं, वही हरबा इस्तेमाल करके वो यहाँ पे भी लोगों की आवाज को दबा पाए।
India Today's Mir Fareed is joining me live in this bulletin. Good morning, Fareed. You also had that exclusive conversation with PDP's Mehbooba Mufti. Now, it appeared everything was in the last stages of campaigning. What is the reason then being given by the Election Commission that it has now been deferred to the 6th phase of polling, and how are the parties on the ground reacting to it?
Well, Pooja, as you know, from the very beginning, it was a divide between the NC and PDP, the two major players as far as Kashmir Valley is concerned, vehemently advocating that the election should go ahead on the time that was given and on the date that was given by the Election Commission. And then you had BJP along with what the PDP-NC calls their proxies or their allies, which included some parties from Kashmir who were advocating that because of the logistic constraints, because of the fact that there are certain areas which are inaccessible, there is bad weather. So just to provide them a fair opportunity to connect to the electorate, the Election Commission should change the dates. And it seems that the Election Commission has heeded to that aspect and they have changed the dates. But obviously, this is being taken with a pinch of salt as far as NC-PDP is concerned. And as you rightly said, the PDP has come out and said that this is something that is they're basically bringing in the 1987 rigged elections and saying that this is equally bad. If that was bad, this kind of a decision is again basically something that is that will that would obviously be something that will be like this further disempowering the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And this is not as simple and as plain as it is being put out by the Election Commission. So obviously it is again bringing into a fight between NC-PDP on one side, BJP, the People's Conference and some other parties, which obviously the NC-PDP is calling as the allies of BJP. Now we'll have to wait and see. Though, let me also add here that the dates of the other dates that are important, like the last date of nomination filing, etc., they have not been touched. It is just that the voting day has been changed from 7.
So the voting day shifted, as Fareed is telling us. Now, the reason given by some of the petitions to the Election Commission was that it's a large constituency. There's been unseasonal rainfall. There's a lot of problems logistically there with regard to communication. Must defer it. While the political parties on the ground, the Kashmir-based parties specifically, say that this is an attempt to perhaps give an edge to the BJP.